Most people think investing is complicated. It's not. I started as a complete beginner with zero knowledge, and investing is exactly how I became a millionaire. Here's everything I wish I knew from day one. Let me break down investing in the simplest way possible. Investing means buying assets that grow in value over time. The magic is compound interest. When you invest $1,000 at 10% returns, you don't just earn $100. That $100 earns money too. Over 20 years, that $1,000 becomes over $6,000 without you doing anything. Here's how to start today. Open a brokerage account with any major platform. It takes 10 minutes. Then invest in index funds. These are baskets of stocks that track the entire market. You don't need to pick individual stocks or understand complicated charts. Just invest consistently in index funds and let time do the work. Now here's how this actually makes you a millionaire. I started investing $500 a month in my 20s. That's it. Just $500 a month into index funds. At a 10% average return, that becomes over $300,000 in 20 years. Increase it to $1,000 a month and you hit $1 million. Here's what actually happened for me. I automated everything. The money left my account before I could spend it. Some months I invested more when I had extra income. I reinvested every dividend. I never sold when the market dropped. I just kept buying. That consistency over 15 years is how I crossed 7 figures. The biggest mistake beginners make is waiting for the perfect time. There is no perfect time. The best time was yesterday. The second best time is today. Investing for beginners isn't complicated. Open an account today. Start with whatever you have. Invest in index funds consistently. That's how regular people become millionaires. The only question left is, will you actually start?